Alright, what's up guys? It's your boy Stickers, back with another YouTube video. Right now we are on our way to meet up with all the boys that are going to mob over together to Mali Motorsports. We are all taking off together that way. So yeah, right now we're going to meet up. I think Chase is going to be there on the H2, not sure. Take a guess down below what bike you think Kay is going to bring, H2R, H2, or Xtrenta. I can't do three fingers because these are tied together. But yeah, no, right now we're going to go meet up them at the gas station, and then we are taking off to the main meet, which is the Corsa Carbon launch meet and the bike reveal for today. So, but yeah, no, so this is the first time they're actually all going to be seeing the bike, which is crazy. So yeah, we're going to be going and hanging out with all of them, mobbing over, and then this is the video after the reveal launch meet. Ooh, okay, that's clean. Oh, my bike is yelling at me. One awesome thing about the Fireblade is it tells you when you need gas. I got 0.8 gallons left. Perfect. We're stopping at a gas station, gonna get some energy drinks. Yeah, so I'm gonna stop there, fill this thirsty girl up. Sadly, the carbon tank is not wanting to stick. It keeps popping off, so we might need to remove the carbon tank and then redo it. But that happens. Like the carbon tanks, I feel like, never fit completely perfect. We always want them to, but they never do. So maybe Kay can talk to the manufacturer and see about getting it to fit a little bit better, but it's a common thing with any frame covers, tank covers. They never fit perfectly. Alright. What's happening? Thank you. There it is. Yeah, finally. I actually finally posted. Yeah, like I said, it's been there for like 2 months. I think I voted for over 3, and I have literally, this is like the second ride with it. Yeah, I do. All right. Well, I guess Kay took off there and got there early. With Chase, they both took off a good while ago. So we got a Gixxer 1K. A 2025 S1K, an older S1K, a ZX10, a couple of cool bikes. But yeah, no K, so we won't know what he's there or what he rode there. But we'll probably ride around with him after. I don't even know what time it is because my clock is off. What time is it? 12:44. All right. I'm gonna adjust that real quick right now. Huge shout out again to Dainese for huge shout out again to Daisuke Racing for sending me these Revit Jers 4s. They're actually really nice. I am still not used to the pinky. The pinky is odd to me, having the stitched pinky, but it's still super nice. Where is the time? Oh, here. Alright, helmets on, and we are off. We filming? Yes, sir. But yeah, we got I think it's a 24 S1K, a 25 S1K, an old gen S1K. So we got the 3 different generations. I don't know if it's the old one or the old one, because they both look the exact same. They just flip the headlights between left and right, and I don't know the difference. Yeah, we got the 2025. He just hit braking miles, he said. So yeah, 2025 S1K. the tunnel, you know, it's a go-to every time. In the middle? In the middle of them? Or, oh, over there, okay. Do you have, Simon, do you have an extra stand? Okay, I'll just stay right here. Alrighty, and we are here. So I guess Kay isn't here with the H2R yet. I should have texted him. I don't know why I pulled up before him. I should have pulled up with him, but I guess I just showed up a little early on accident. I just saw it after. Cool. Awesome. Thank you, Simon. I'll see you right now. I'm going to go put my helmet and stuff in there. This is a full carbon H2R now. Same Corsa carbon, same as the Blade. But yeah, no, full carbon. He has the interior fenders. So this will be what we will end up doing to the Blade in time. We're not doing it all at once. We're going to do it in a slow process, but full Corsa carbon build on, as you guys know, our Fireblade. Here it is, you know, our beautiful new Fireblade. You like it? And I'm still missing pieces too.
Things will probably actually gap the H2. I'm not even joking.
I've seen them gap H2s. Yeah. So like I said, I haven't ran one yet. That's why I want to run you because.
I'm gonna gap the H2, bro. We did a little bit on my side.
What do you have?
This one down.
Oh, okay.
I'm just gonna stop.
You're all top end until you build it.
Stop running it. Like.
Oh wait, you're the new 25.
Yeah.
Okay, so we rode here. Okay, yeah.
It's just.
I've seen you in the chat, but I had no clue who you were, and I just knew you had a. Okay. Well, Alex or Stickers.
Cameron.
Nice to meet you.
If I don't run it, I'll say
The throttle that you need to go like retard speeds. R1 or any other bike, it's this.
Not on this bike. It's all top end. So, but yeah.
No, on this, yeah.
Yeah. But you just gotta think.
Super slow, super calm, it's super chill, or it can ball out. It does everything well.
Yeah. Or even the 9. Even the 9 is fine, I feel, for a beginner. Like
You can start on an R9 and be perfectly happy.
Yeah.
The R9 is a great bike. It's the same as the MT09.
I think for a dude, the R9 is the perfect starter bike now. Now with, but you're
R9 over the R7.
Yeah.
I would. They're just hard to get your hands on right now. Everything else is slow.
I think for a starter, for a dude that's heavier, like bigger dude, anybody that's bigger, like unless you're a little dude, then. But I think if you can touch, that's probably the perfect starting bike. And they're gonna hold their value really well. So that, yeah, it's a brand new bike.
It's
So
all about throttle control. And you have to realize that if you hit a bump and you slip back and you go to here, it's coming up.
Damn, okay.
Yeah, that's for you.
Man, thank you.
No. As long as I don't see oil, I don't care.
I hear this one's pretty loud.
You'll hear. Now they'll come in. Yeah. Fuck, it's loud. I've never heard it next to it.
I said it's gonna hurt. Oh,
Yeah.
Coming under the bridges, when you come passing high RPM like that, it actually hurts. There's loud bikes, but it's the pitch.
Yeah.
It's so
It's
high.
that same as the old
it's like,
F1. Yeah.
Fuck.
It sounds exotic. That's how I explained it. It's the only bike besides but that sound, or the SV. The Super Veloce has that.
CBX 1050X.
I don't even know what that is.
It's an older bike. Not a ton of horsepower, but it's 1050cc, but it's an inline 6.
Holy.
sounds exactly like the old F1 car.
Really?
I'm gonna build a cafe racer on it.
Oh yeah, so you keep revving it, now everybody's coming in.
It's gonna be insane.
There, now there's more room.
You handed it to me facing the wrong way, so it's just focused on my face.
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna put that in for you. I'm gonna post that as a reel. Full carbon frames. Is carbon. And then the frame covers. So it's not here yet, so he just took off the can. Yeah. No. But this is pretty much what that ST is going to sound like, because it is basically a straight pipe. I don't, no, it's fine. Oh, my bad. I'm pushing it that way because he's about to, excuse me. Watch out real quick, he's in it. He's throwing shirts from up there, so I'm like, I don't want the bike right there when you're throwing shirts.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Bro, I left.
Go up there and be like, oh my God, give me a shirt.
I'm your biggest fan, oh my God.
All right, now we are actually going to walk around. We kind of got interrupted a little while ago. See what else is here. R1s. Oh, that Ducati's wrap is pretty sick. R1M. S1K. It's a pretty sick wrap on it. I think it's a V2. R3s. S1K. Could be. That Gixxer is sick. We'll go look at the Gixxer on the right. It's the only Gixxer I've ever said was sick in my life. Oh my God, what is this? I heard about a Ducati that had some crazy ass wings. I don't know about this, buddy. Should have just went with the Superleggera wings. R7, a painted carbon. This Gixxer's crazy right here. Full brown, tan carbon colored. Low is a mofo, forged carbon. This was all full of bikes earlier, but most of them already took off. More S1Ks, Ducatis. Oh, we got a couple CBRs. Uh-oh, a bomb is coming. I don't know if that's a 20, well, what year that is, but those are known to blow up. ZX6. Cool Supra, a few cool, oh, Case Plaid is here with the carbon wheels, but yeah, good amount of cool bikes. Oh, sorry it's overexposed for you guys. I only have an ND32, did not bring the higher NDs, and the sunlight is killing the camera. Are you toes in front? Pass the cone. Back it up. Back it up.
I've been giving this one boring life. I play rugby, bro. Basketball isn't fun.
Thank you. There's still more coming. So like the full carbon belly pan. So that bottom piece, the one that covers the rear tire hugger, the front tire hugger, and then the 3 small pieces under the tail, little one on the tail and the front. So yeah, there's still some more. It will go full. Thank you. Oh yeah, the forged carbon. Yeah, it is. But
it's a unique, like most, you either love it or hate it. And some people hate forged carbon and some people love it. But yeah, no, it definitely stands out now. And the front, once I get the front tire hugger and it's not red, that was supposed to be with the first order of stuff, but it got damaged in shipping, so they had to replace it. All right, guys, we are out of here. Thank you guys for watching Insane Vent. I hope you guys love the reveal of the bike, liked it here, but that is a wrap to this. Make sure to turn on those post notifications, make sure to like, subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.